We have wind advisories and high wind warnings that'll go into effect, stay into effect all the way through Friday, Saturday. In some places, we're going to hang on to this through Sunday. We have 50 to 60 mile per hour winds at higher elevations and through the canyons and passes. So again, this is going to be still a really concerning drive. We saw yesterday high-profile vehicles going down, those big rigs that aren't carrying a load. They're usually a little bit lighter, and when they get through some of those passes, they do topple over. So you really do want to stay away from high-profile vehicles today if you can. With the winds, we do expect to see some down trees and power lines because of the soft soil saturation. So unfortunately, in some of these areas, we could still continue on with that threat.